now that we've gotten the screws taken out of this black housing, just want to make sure they're all loose. I think this one is sticking a little bit. There we go. Now pay very close attention to this little black and red cable right here. You don't want to tear that. So when you open it so that the if you have yours facing the same way, open it in the direction so that it's not pulling against that cable. It's really best if you have a magnetic screwdriver, and I usually go ahead and magnetize my own, and I did not before this video. But like I said, you have 5 in here, pretty easy to get at. And now you've actually access the laser lens, and you're going to want to use, I use alcohol. There are different types of lens cleaners, and alcohol has worked just fine for me, so if you prefer to use something else, that's fine, as long as it's not going to destroy the machine. It has to be something that's approved for it. So right here, you're just going to want to use a very, very soft cotton and lightly just wipe the lens. And you'd be surprised, it looks really clean already, but you can actually see just a little bit in this particular one. It'd probably be hard for the camera to see, but I can actually see when I opened it up, it looked completely clean. When I wiped it with the alcohol, I could actually see a little brown come off of it, and so this one will probably end up working with just the cleaning of the lens, but I'm going to go over another technique if not. So we'll go ahead and place this back on, and then you can you should be able to put it back in order by watching the videos and just kind of reverse engineering. But remember to put this back in, and remember the way that it goes. That goes down toward the laser. Just drop it right back in, and that's all for now. And then go ahead. I would recommend making sure that everything's back together. Your hard drive's in, and then go ahead and give it a try. And if that doesn't work, I also have another video with another recommendation. So I'm going to give this a try, and then I'll make a video showing whether or not it worked. And from the looks of it, it probably will. So thank you.